We don't believe in a literal Satan. We don't believe in a literal Satan.
Hail Satan!
We don't believe in a literal Satan.
Hail Satan!
We don't believe in a literal Satan.
That which will not bend must break!
We don't believe in a literal Satan. We don't believe in a literal Satan.
Participating in prayer
In the name of Lucifer,
in their own way.
anoint you in the ashes of the false Messiah's word.
We don't believe in a literal Satan.
Greetings to my fellow members from the Satanic Temple. Hail Satan. Let's all bow our heads, whether we agree to or not, and join in a verse of the Satanic prayer. Hear our Satan prayer.
Hear our Satan prayer.
Our anti-Nicene creed. Hear our Satan prayer.
Hear our Satan prayer.
For the coming of seed.
For the coming of seed.
Hear our Satan prayer.
Hear our Satan prayer.
Unholy Ghost, Overlord and Taker of life.
Unholy Ghost, Overlord and Taker of life.
The Bible is absolute bullshit. Complete and thorough. Absolute.
Even the most rigid atheist of all, Richard Dawkins, admits that there are no Christians, as far as he knows, blowing up buildings, being suicide bombers, or when you leave the church, the penalty is death. You see, even he recognizes Christianity isn't the problem, but atheism is. Look at the absolute hate and craziness that these people post at me and towards other Christians. It's insane.